Previously on Sibs. Matt was upset because we only had 82 views. He threw a ball at my face and broke my tooth. That's what you missed on Sibs. Look how happy he is with his hair. Perfect revenge. So he can't flick his hair around and be so happy. Happy to sad and make it a frown. Revenge time for my teeth.
Marissa!
Radu, I'm sorry.
My hair! Don't you ever touch my hair!
Hey, actually looks good.
Good? You think it looks good? Really?
You really think he looks good?
Yeah. Wait. No one's gonna get it. Who's the big guy?
He's my imaginary friend.
No one on YouTube is gonna believe it.
Oh yeah?
What the freaking heck?